What
Yep.
is it?
Yep.
All right, fellas, I'm
Let's
going in.
go.
We're pulling up. We're pulling up.
Finally.
Sounds good.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, so where the hell do I need to sit at, man? If I'm
It don't matter. Just pick a spot. Actually, I think the
There you
defendants
go,
and
that-
all
there
these
you go.
people.
You
Well,
might-
yeah, we sit over here.
Oh,
They
did I
they
change
sit
my
over there.
keyboard? Yeah.
That's one of them.
Because I had to put this on right here. If you want me to put it back on, I can put it
what are
back
they talking about us, man?
Oh,
on. Oh,
Put it
okay. I
back.
can take it off. All right.
The judge might get gloves.
Yeah, let me get out of here.
Hey, do we have a DA?
What?
I am.
Damn.
I'd like to leave him like.
I don't know. Hopefully me.
I think mine's first.
So who's gonna represent us? Do I represent myself?
I am the victim. Know that.
I am the victim.
I am the victim.
Oh, I am your father.
I mean, no.
I am the victim.
My evidence.
The cops touched me.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
In my no square.
Yeah, I have
The
that.
cops
Like,
touched
my
me.
already
I want to. I want to file a report. The cops touched me.
Oh, brother, this ain't my fault.
Yo, what do we do? Where in the fucking handbook for the police does it say we could sexually caress our fucking criminals?
Yeah, brother. I've done court cases.
Where in the chapter 33 is that?
Chapter 33, baby.
If you know, you know.
Yep.
I just don't know how LSPD wants us to do it. Like I can represent
Stop
myself.
speaking at once. I have something to be said.
Oh yeah, no, I got
Stop speaking at once. I have something that must be said.
Go ahead, brother.
Elena's fucking killing me, man.
Where in the handbook is it okay to touch the criminals?
What? Where was that?
What are we doing?
Oh,
Talking to
listen,
the
man, I
jurors?
don't want to give out too many details because I don't want it to
Why-
happen
so-
again for
why-
saying
why-
something.
What happened to you?
I
What
went.
the hell are they here, bro?
Somebody.
It was it wasn't none of these fellas. It was damn regular police, man. The LSPD. Like why the fuck they here? Oh,
That's the jury, yo. That's the
okay.
jury.
Well, they think that it's due. So I think this case is to have to do with me shooting at them or some shit. But this case is them taking my money and shit like that. So like what? So whatever the fuck they think is going on, they're fucking wrong.
Just remember, just remember, this is green grass.
Oh yeah, I know. Yep. I'm not gonna do nothing here. I'm gonna wait until outside the green grass. Further on down the roads.
Are we going?
Nobody act stupid, Lando.
You're
Sorry.
in the courthouse, buddy.
All right, let's go. Let's go sit down. Let's go sit down.
Let's go sit down.
Let's go sit down.
You'll find out. You'll find
If y'all
out
touch
soon.
me again, I will take you to Epstein's Island.
Lando, get your ass over here, man.
Who?
Where do I need to sit?
Pick a spot. Any spot.
Well, I gotta be in the front. I need to be able to speak.
Makes good for content. I like it.
She knocking on the judge's door. Why? Oh, it's Elena.
Lando, get out the way. Get out the fucking thing, man.
Sorry, God damn it.
Elena, you're gonna be knocking for a while because I don't think she's in city
Everybody
yet.
looks good in here, man.
Not in city yet.
We are looking awfully dapper.
Elena, are you representing the cops on this one or what?
Alana.
Elena, who are you representing?
Lana.
I wouldn't sit there, bro. I had beans for dinner.
If you say it wrong, she'll shoot you.
Oh,
Shit.
yeah, literally.
Nobody. I have to talk to a judge about some charges that need to be added.
I need to talk to charges about added charges. How about sit down and wait your fucking turn? Oh no, I'm pissed.
through like the MDT and stuff.
Sit your ass down, man.
Sit.
Fucking
You're talking, we
bullshit,
can't
man.
hear you.
Yeah, man, this fucking bitch is thinking she can just skip the whole fucking line because she's a fucking thought. First of all, I'm pissed. Second of all, this shit's got to come to an end right fucking now, or I'm saying something.
Actually, I am speaking to somebody, so both of you are at shit.
So did she get to skip or?
I don't know what the fuck's going on, man. All I know is I'm here, and honestly, the wrong PD's here, bro.
No, this PD. I know this PD. You're good. I'm my cousin is him. You're good.
What do you mean? You guys have
All right.
PA, don't you?
Hey, so we gotta wait our turn, so I'm gonna need you to come sit down. Hey, yeah. So we're gonna need you to sit down and wait your turn. Unfortunately, that's. Do you think you're special?
Yeah, you're in a restricted area, so I would have you go sit.
Oh no. You need to sit down and get your butt to work.
Damn.
I'm representing you guys, so I wouldn't anyway.
No offense, but I don't pay shitty attorneys.
Well, I'm not a shitty
Sheesh.
attorney, so.
Damn.
He has
Damn.
I'm pissed.
Oh, boy.
Do you have someone against him?
Oh, who the fuck is fucking that dude? And who does he think he is?
That might be my lawyer, man. Calm it down on that one.
All right, man. I'm gonna sit quiet the rest of the thing before I get in trouble.
Thank you, man.
Don't get kicked out of your own court case, all right?
I'm trying, man, but I just can't get around this too. It's going down.
Is Rick Warden in here?
Oh, pause. Rick, your lawyer's here in the white suit.
Well, if you guys would have come to me
What's up,
like
Rick?
a long time ago,
What up, man?
I could represent
Come on,
you,
come back
but
this way, brother.
you never come.
Y'all fellas stay right there.
That's because I was 8, remember? But I'm not state anymore. If I am a defense attorney,
Lando,
you guys
everybody,
can defend
y'all
me.
stay. Do not cause no other scenes, Lando.
I'm not gonna cause any other scenes. I will be a good
All right.
boy.
As far as I know,
Hey, yo.
I don't. I think it looks good on me, man. So y'all just calm down. We got it.
All right. I'm only gonna be good if you give me money. I'm kind of like a hooker.
Okay, yeah, man.
What case number is it?
It's gonna be number 7 in the.
It's okay. You can call me the hooker.
In the MDT. Yeah, I have everything laid out for you. Everything. It's easy to win.
Hold on. Okay.
I'll put 6 bands on it. I'll throw 6 bands on it. I only got 36 in my account, man. Alright, Papa. Fucking big baller over here. Yeah. Papa's loaded.
Is this the cheddar?
Yes,
No,
I'm
sir,
right here.
it's Rick
I'm
Warden
standing over
versus
here. Can you see me?
That one's yours, Papa.
I mean, I'm here. You know, cheesy and all.
Well,
That's where my defense attorney's at.
You're the other ticket, so I would have to be added.
What's your name and email, just so I can have her add you?
I'll put a dot in Jen.
I'll see if she'll let it. I mean, if she lets it, she lets it. If she don't, she don't. Oh well. I ain't worried about it.
Man, I need to take a shower. Keep picture in my head. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
As long as it doesn't happen on this green grass, I'm fine with it. But if shit
Yep.
starts happening on the green grass, I'm walking away. I'm not taking a flight, bro. I've seen what these angels can do in here.
What do I look like? No,
You've never seen 21 Jump Street?
I'm not a movie watcher.
That's like a God. I'm not a movie watcher, and I've seen that. Yeah.
Fuck you.
You don't know nothing about Breakfast Club?
Y'all better act right, fellas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I got a question.
You have answers.
Yeah. So I'm looking at my docket. Jason Marshall, is he representing me or is that something else?
What's your
Where's the
name, sir?
judge?
Cheddar.
She's not in yet.
All right, I'm gonna go in the head for a
Your
minute.
attorney
Yeah, no. I had to talk to my lawyer.
yes, Jason.
Okay. I just haven't heard from him, and I don't know if he's here or not. What's going on?
Papa, you wanna come with me? Cheddar, would you like to come with me for a minute?
Sure.
How y'all doing?
You're just gonna be full of bunch of cops?
Nah, we're not.
Papa, over here.
Ooh, look
shit,
at
I
that.
see it.
Look at that crypto. That crypto went up, bro. Nice.
I shouldn't hurry up, man.
No, it should. Theoretically. Yeah, my bad, guys. I had a little bit of a technical difficulty there. Let's just say, long story short, I may or may not have
He's taking
not fixed my shit before starting my stream.
LSPD to court
It's
for
my
stealing
bad.
money out of his car. Yeah, we're all down here at the courthouse. Wants his money back. 60 grand. If he wins, he'll get more than that.
He can get anywhere from 3 to 5 mil.
Stealing 60K out of his car. Anyways, I was just checking on you. Alright, we might swing by and check you out later. Oh yeah, some of these guys that we're rolling with know you, so. Yep. He said from another city. We got a Jason.
Who are you speaking with?
Lando Smith and a Jason Lanker.
Lankham?
Yeah, Lankham.
Who are you speaking with?
I'm talking with Billy.
Oh, Billy. Yeah.
Yeah. He knows you.
He hasn't seen me around in a minute.
Yeah, he said he probably hasn't seen him in a while. Alright, we'll swing
Alan,
by
get
there.
off the damn phone.
Look, the damn thing ain't started yet.
Making me get scoot to the edge of my seat.
Alright, whatever. Alright, bro. We'll talk to you later.
Tell him to come up here.
Oh, he's working, bro.
Oh.
We need to go get some repair kits for after this.
Alright.
Yeah, we do.
He's a West Coast. He'll sell them.
Look at the sausage fest over there. Those
Is
guys, they love
is
it.
that the jury? Question mark.
I think so.
Hell of a jury.
No, the jury will be to the right.
Yeah, turn your things
okay.
down to whisper.
Is my shit not?
No.
Oops.
I think they'll get mad if I spark his joint up in here. He'll throw us out.
I was gonna do it.
Hey, what about a vape?
You've probably had a vape. I just hope nobody recognizes me. I should have changed.
Just keep your mouth shut. Just keep your mouth shut. You'll be okay. Oh, in the courtroom. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn, brother, breathe air.
Bro, I know that dude behind me is nicked the fuck out right now.
Yeah, that's a special pin.
Just remember, got any food on him?
Did everybody hear what I just heard?
What happened?
Yeah, I heard it.
What happened?
Yeah.
They just said they were gonna air. They just said they were gonna air us out.
Who said that?
Yeah, what's up? What do you need?
Got any food on you, man?
I think so.
And me?
Yeah, man. Somebody got food on my name bars.
We're not supposed to be eating
I
in
don't
the
have any
courtroom.
food. Who just said that?
Said what?
Oh,
We're not supposed to be eating in the courtroom.
Bro, what
We don't need
the
to be
hell,
touching
man?
Either.
Oh, I didn't know we weren't supposed to be eating in here.
I'm in court.
I didn't know we wasn't supposed to be eating
Chill
in
out,
here.
Rick.
Look, I was trying to sit down.
You're good, Rick. You're good, Rick.
Money's green at the end of the day, brother.
That's right.
Y'all hear that boy over there steaming that cop right now?
My bad, big dog.
He's over there talking about who
Hey,
trains
man,
you
for that-
guys.
For that, man, you know, you really want to give me some food.
I got
Do I
food.
have any food on? Do I have any food? I got a joint. You want a joint?
I'm in court, man. I can't be doing that.
No, like not like that, bro. It's tobacco.
Somebody read that cop his Miranda rights.
What are we doing, man?
I'm just kidding, please don't.
Apparently, officers just horsing around.
Yo, green pants. You got ants in your pants?
These guys just
Yeah,
be
man.
doing anything but their job.
Hey, Green Pants, why don't you go stand by the back door?
Quiet down now. Hey. Remember what I said now.
Remember what?
Oh, it's fucking Lopez.
Yo, can this guy just do whatever he wants?
Shouldn't you guard the back door?
I'm gonna go find the judge.
It's okay.
Or... Yeah, yeah, attorney, I need to file a lawsuit on the
It's
cop
okay.
here.
Merry Christmas.
Lando, sit your ass down, man.
Happy holidays.
Someone robbing the jewelry store right now? What the hell?
He refused me
How's your
medical
day going,
treatment.
Hey, officer, shouldn't you be saving the day doing that right now? They're robbing the jewelry store.
Wait, what?
They're robbing the jewelry store, man.
He said,
Oh,
"Wait,
I'm not
what? You
clocked
don't
on
even know
duty
what's
right
going
now, my
on."
man.
Jeez, dude.
I'm the Shelby with security, man.
Yo,
What's going on?
I don't know, man.
Did you just say? Did you just say you was security?
How much
You need
to
food here? Hold on.
I don't have shit, Rick.
Oh,
Oh no.
Does anybody have any
They're
food?
shooting. They're stealing jewelry, bro. Like,
How
are you
much
just gonna
does
stand in
okay?
this courtroom, or are you gonna do something?
What's your lucky, Rick?
Does anybody?
32.
What's your lucky, Rick?
Officer.
What the fuck is going on?
What the hell's
dude?
going on, man?
Ricky.
So that man
dude.
win the case?
What's your lucky?
What's your lucky,
What's
Rick?
going on,
32.
I'm getting scared.
Does that mean I win?
Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah,
Hey, I'm gonna go check that out.
Yo, there's people shooting outside.
What happened?
Bro.
Shooting at the
What the
courthouse,
hell?
huh? What the fuck?
They're not allowed to be shooting. Oh,
Let's go see what's going on.
That's their excuse to get on out of this, dude.
Cops outside my dick.
Okay, that.
There is no cops outside whatsoever.
Copy that.
Baby, I
See if they're
literally
unlocked.
just told you. Hey, officer. Where's all those other officers you were talking about?
Be quiet.
What's up?
And those
Especially
Night
you, man.
Stalkers, brother, they're robbing that jewelry store right now.
Yeah, we got options.
Cheddar is gonna talk to set up a kid over there.
I gave somebody a plate full of food.
Yeah, who gave that to me?
It must have been me.
Yeah.
Try and give it to Ricky.
Alright.
I had one.
I'll hand it to Ricky.
You hear that alarm?
Yeah.
Check out the ground right quick.
Oh shit.
Shake that ass, bitch.
Get Mr. Scoliosis over there.
I have osteoporosis.
I mean, look at his
What's
neck.
going on?
Come on.
It's gotta hurt.
Sir, are you fent leaning right now? Sir, officer. Are you fent leaning right now? Is that what I'm witnessing?
Kind of scared for his health right now. Are you okay?
His.
Relax, bro. Fucking A. What's that term when people just don't show up on time? What's that word?
Mic test.
Incompetent.
Mic test.
There's a different word for it. It's, what time do they call it?
You know what the funny part is?
They called it at 8:30. It's 5 minutes past.
Yeah, all the felons are here on time, sitting down, being good, and there's one cop up there. There's no representation.
Hey, I ain't no felon, big dog.
Okay, well, okay.
Huh?
Don't make your problems mine.
I know I do
It's
too.
probably a dirty
You
cop
ain't the one getting
anyways.
sued.
Not too
No,
much I can
he is a
do.
dirty cop.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
you.
he definitely. That guy's definitely a dirty cop.
I mean, we're all
He's the
here.
same cop that tried to sell me F candy.
Go
the other
make
day.
food.
I
Yeah, I'm
did.
suing the entire
Go
department.
make more food.
Good lord.
Lots of food.
I'm about to make a phone call here.
You're
This is
pregnant.
crazy.
I'm gonna call the Justice
Bro, what?
Department.
What's
Tell 'em-
taking so long, man?
Oh, shit.
Well, it looks like our case was first, Rick.
Alan.
What?
Rick, did you hear that?
The what?
He said your guys' case is first.
Somebody speak up, man.
I said your case is first, dog.
Oh, okay.
That means like go sit up over here somewhere.
Yeah, you got to go sit down.
The attorney would too, like right specifically here.
Well, not you, but me and my client, yeah.
Oh yeah, not me.
Rick,
I
get
said,
up there and
unless you
sit
want to
down.
unless you want to talk to the judge.
I wouldn't
Your
mind.
attorney, go sit up there.
Get up there, Rick. We're rooting for you, bro.
Get up there, Rick.
We're rooting for you.
Sorry for all the motion.
Yep, I'm here. Yep.
I mean, oh my God.
Everybody just wait, calm down.
Officer, shouldn't you be over there, not sit next to
Ossifer.
us?
Ossifer.
I'd want to come say hello to my people.
Your people? We ain't your people.
You're in the wrong line, buddy.
You were
He was a
fucking
dirty
fed,
cop.
bro.
Want to say hello to my people.
I mean, he probably does spend more time with us than anybody else. To be honest. Just throwing that out there.
So what's happening? Y'all doing tonight?
Waiting to see LSPD get the shit suit out of him.
Listen,
Is that 01 right there? Is that 01 right there?
Wait, it's only one demand.
Who's that angry lady over there?
That's the judge, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, because a fucking judge carries around a
Who's wearing
fucking
the
taser.
cop uniform?
That's 01, yo. That's 01 for sure. Is that a male or
That's a
female?
bailiff, brother.
Female, that's 01.
that's the bailiff.
Oh, that is 01.
Hey, ask her how much money she's willing to lose over this case.
I got you.
Quiet down, man.
Good Lord.
I ain't saying shit.
Come on, you're gonna make Rick mad. Shh.
I mean, we're here and on time. What is going on?
Tell me about it, man. What's going on?
Place next door is being robbed, that's what.
Yep.
Oh, boys, things are looking up.
Here we
Oh,
go.
the jewelry store gets robbed every night.
Yeah, they must have pretty good insurance as much as they get robbed.
You could go sit on the top of the building. People that are robbing.
Mr. Baker, can you go ahead and come take a seat up here at the other bench, sir?
Sure.
And then I'll go ahead and have both of you guys do your microphones. Should just be able to try those. We have just a slight issue with tonight's case. Representation for Mr. Baker has failed to appear, but because Mr. Baker is here, as well as Papa Duck, I don't want to delay this any further, and this case is going to default to a judicial review. So what's going to happen is Mr. Baker will have the opportunity to present his side of what he believes happened. Officer Duck will have the exact same opportunity, and then I will go through the evidence that has been presented in order to make a determination in this case. As it stands right now, Mr. Baker, please feel free to interrupt me if there's something that I say that is not factual in this matter. Mr. Baker was traveling down Los Santos Freeway coming from Toledo and heading into the city. As he passed Pinewood Hills, he hit a set of spike strips that were left out carelessly, allegedly by LSPD, that caused all four of his tires to pop and sent him into a 360 spin, which caused an accident on the exit ramp. Mr. Baker suffered severe injuries to his left leg, his right arm, and his torso area. Upon exiting his vehicle, Mr. Baker did see an EMS vehicle in the same situation. The driver of that EMS vehicle was Ellis Anderson, who also had spike strips on his vehicle as well. Mr. Baker had a passenger in his car. His name is Malik Carter. He also suffered some traumatic injuries due to the accident. Mr. Baker did call Highway Patrol to report the incident. They were aware of the spike strips being left out. They also claimed that LSPD is the one who did not pick them up, and they also failed to leave any sort of cones or cautionary signs showing that spike strips were in the middle of a major highway. Mr. Baker is alleging that LSPD was negligent and careless. The were left out without any proper safety measures put in place. And it would appear as though Mr. Baker is seeking a monetary settlement for damages not only to his vehicle for mechanical repairs, but also for medical bills and pain and suffering. Is that correct, Mr. Baker?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you want to go ahead and tell me in your own words what had happened, please, in the conversation that you had with your... Do you have any witnesses here, either Mr. Anderson or your passenger, Mr. Carter?
Yeah, well, I had both of them.
They're
I don't know
both
where.
here.
No, no, they're not. I've reached out to both the passenger and the EMS that was directly involved in the same incident regarding the spike strips. And from my point of view, what had happened was exactly what you just stated. I was traveling southbound on Los Angeles Freeway, hit the spike strips, going approximately 70 miles an hour. And when that happened, I was thrusted in a 360 spin, hit the off ramp, causing me to wreck, and we both got ejected from the vehicle. And when we regained consciousness from the EMS, there was another EMS individual there that was on duty that had the same incident, and he had hit those spike strips as well. I had to get fully patched up and regain consciousness. On top of my vehicle had to be towed. I called into dispatch. The first one was Highway Patrol or BCSO. I can't remember which one was first. But I do know BCSO had said that we were aware of it, and I asked, was it their department that had left them out? And they said no, it wasn't us. I asked them whose department was it, and they said it was Los Santos Police Department. I said okay.
Do you have anybody here from that department that can testify to that?
There was at least 5 to 10 people on that scene. Again, this was about a month ago, if not a little bit, longer than that. I don't know if the same deputies are still with the force from then. Again, this has been such a long time. I get things can be, distorted with time and remembering who was there, or whatever. It's been a while. I've had to, I was on crutches for probably 2 weeks from that point, and my vehicle was completely out of commission. It was impounded because I didn't have the funds to repair it because I was newly in city, and it's currently impounded still to this day, and I've not been able to get it out.
How much is the impound fee for that?
I think it's $2,000 if I do recollect.
Okay. Is there anything else that you would like to add, Mr. Baker?
I think what you stated was 99% correct.
Papa Jack, do you have anything that you'd like to
I'm gonna start fucking
speak
you up.
on in this matter, sir? Can you please use your microphone?
You would have gotten away with it
There we go.
if the
Thanks.
light
Now
wasn't
I
still
can.
on.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. Due to the evidence in the case, from what I've seen,
And I would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for these kids and their damn dog.
which has a trooper vehicle involved, and the truck is sitting in the middle of the highway. So, him stating that he went off the off ramp or whatever, I don't see where the vehicle led. Usually there would be pictures of the beginning and the ending or whatever where the vehicle left at. The burden of proof in this case, there is no burden of proof in the sense that it's a he said, she said thing because the sheriff's department or whoever it was that talked to him stated that it was LSPD that left them out. So there's no officer at the scene that can be, proven otherwise. I don't have an officer that said, I could have said the sheriff's department done it, or troopers department done it, or FIB done it, whoever. So there's no burden of proof in the case to show where LSPD was involved.
Anything else, sir?
Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, it's a he said, she said type case. And, if there was any kind of statutory evidence, we could prove any different.
Okay. Really quick, this is a little bit off topic. I want to let everybody in the gallery know that if you need to take a quick break to eat or drink, feel free to do so. Also, if you need to stand up and move around a little bit so that you do not get abducted, that is perfectly fine. Just please don't cause a disturbance. I may not be able to hear that you guys are saying it here, but I know that those who are sitting at the tables here are able to hear you guys, and it can be distracting. So please be respectful of them. So here's the deal. This is a little bit of a different court case. I know a lot of you have been in here for some of our pretty major trials before. Mr. Baker, I don't think you have been in here for them previously.
No,
however,
never.
It's never a conversation like this. It's not as cordial as today's hearing is. There's a couple of reasons for that. Number one, I am aware that your representation did not show up to court today, and just so everybody else is aware too, it is not something that I take very lightly, and that individual is going to be disbarred. So I can almost guarantee that he would have had a bit more to say as far as an argument in your defense. The one thing I do want to point out is that normally conversations such as the ones that we have had today during these proceedings are not typically part of a courtroom. We do not allow hearsay, we do not allow opinion, it's all based on facts. However, I understand that neither one of you are licensed and neither one of you have taken the bar exam, so we're being a little bit more lenient tonight. I do have to say that I do have a few issues with case. Mr. Baker, I really wish you would have brought somebody either from Troopers or DCSO to testify that they're not the ones who left the spike strips out in the road and that it was in fact Los Santos Police Department, because it is hearsay at this point. There's no evidence to really show that LSPD is the department who left this out.
I do have photos of the officers on scene. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. I mean, when this happened, I was newly in city and did not have I had not just a body cam off the road. I was not expecting any of this to happen. I get both sides, and I wouldn't be here if I truly believed that it wasn't the other side. And I wish I would have done my due diligence.
At the same time, though, I mean, I know you say you have photos of LSPD on scene, but you also provided photos of troopers on scene. So how do I know it's not the troopers' spike strips? There's no insignia on those spike strips to tell me which department that those strips belong to. So unfortunately, at this time, I am going to have to dismiss this case because there's simply not enough evidence to hold Los Santos Police Department liable for the damages. However, being as how your representation did not show up, and I do believe that he would have been able to argue a little bit more in your defense, I would like to offer you the $2,000 that it would cost to get your vehicle out of impound to be paid by the state, so that you can at least receive your vehicle back.
I don't have a leg to stand on here. I mean, it just feels like this was a complete waste of time. In my defense, I don't want to be here at the end of the day.
You also didn't have evidence to prove that it was Los Santos Police Department that left the spike strips out, sir. You provided 2 photos with troopers on scene with the spike strips clearly visible and what I believe is your vehicle and a motorcycle. So
Like
there's
I
no
said,
evidence that shows that that is LSPD spike strips and that they're the ones who left those out.
right, I get it. I don't want to sue the department. This is not what I'm aiming for. What I'm saying, what has happened, and I get it. It's not what you can definitively, it's what you can prove at the end of the day. And so it is what it is. It's my fault for not being able to, circumstantially show the evidence that was caused because of it, and that's on my part. And so I get it. It's not what you get, but it's what you can prove to make things, in your favor, and it is what it is. So.
Well, I'm sorry you feel like the case that you brought and the evidence that you provided was a waste of time, but...
No, it's not a waste of time. I just wish my attorney would have been at the end of the day. And I feel like I was unfairly handled with what has been a month in the making.
I agree that your attorney should have been here, which is why, speaking from the state, I would at least like to be able to pay the DOT amount for your vehicle to be out of impound, and you also will not be charged any representation fees in this matter either. Those are going to be waived.
It's not about that. It's the month of not being able to have transportation and coming up to this, to be able to feed my family, to be able to pay my rent and pay the food and all the things that came along with it. It's not just the fee of getting my car out. It's what led up to getting all this done. The amount of time that has taken to be able to be here in court for this matter that I do not want to be here. I don't want to sue these guys. I back the blue 1000%. I don't want to be in this position, but it is what it is. Okay, that's where I feel like I felt.
The case at any time.
Accidents happen, things happen. I get it, but as far as my troubles, my damages, the things that I've had to go through because of somebody, he said, she said, left out spike strips that were there. They didn't provide any hazards, anything saying that, hey, if we couldn't pick these up, they should have put something there. The EMS guy that was there that had the same situation.
None of those people are here to testify or to...
Right. So it falls back on me, and now I'm the bad guy. So anytime I encounter these guys, hopefully it doesn't, fall back on me looking like I'm wanting to get after them. That this is what's going to follow. From now moving forward, when they see Cheddar Baker in the streets, they're like, oh, that's the guy that tried to sue us. You know what I'm saying?
I can 100% say that none of the departments.
So here's what I don't want anything, okay? I don't want anything paid out of anybody's pocket because at this point it doesn't matter. I was just trying to get a point across that this shouldn't have happened from the get-go, regardless of who did it.
But you also can't prove who did it. So
that's what I'm saying. It's regardless of who did it. Regardless of who did it. It just needs to be dropped. It just needs to be dismissed and dropped. I don't want any financial, because I can handle my own. At the end of the day, I'm my own man. I don't need anybody else thinking about me. Okay? My attorney's not here. The passenger I was involved with isn't here. The EMS guy that was in the same incident is not here. And I'm not expecting anybody else at this point to come to my beckoning. So let's just dismiss it and be done with it. I can handle it. I'm not worried about it. And let's just move on. Because I don't want my reputation tarnished at the end of the day of $2,000.
I mean, I don't believe that your reputation. Try again.
I don't either, but I don't either.
Your reputation is not going to be tarnished whatsoever.
But again, it can be. Biases are made unfairly, and that's just the life we live in.
If you're talking over me, then we can go ahead and adjourn in this matter. Like I was trying to say multiple times, there is no solid evidence with or without your attorney. There's no solid evidence that LSPD is the one who let those spike strips out. Meaning that this case would have likely been thrown out regardless of whether or not your attorney was here. Because we cannot just make one department liable when we don't know exactly who left them out. I'm not saying that that makes it okay. I'm just saying that we cannot hold one department liable for something that 2 other departments could have also done. However, in light of the fact that your attorney did not show up, I was still willing to compensate you at least for your vehicle that you said was still impounded. And if you choose not to take that, then that is totally on you. Either way, this case would have been dismissed. I understand your frustration. I'm sorry your representation did not show up. I'm doing what I can for it. As far as him being disbarred and no longer being a part of the Department of Justice, there's nothing more that I can do on that end of it. I can't force him to be here. What I can do is waive all of your attorney fees and compensate you so that you can get your vehicle out of impound so that you're no longer having to pay those suffrages. So that's going to be completely your choice.
I'm not trying to come off the wrong way. I'm just frustrated.
And I'm asking you to also understand my position in this as well.
Well, I get it. I completely understand it. I just feel.
So-
yeah, yeah, we're good.
Okay. We're going to adjourn on this matter. It is going to be dismissed. Papa Duck, you are free to go, sir. And Mr. Baker, if you would like to speak in chambers, I'm happy to do so with you. I was not able to hear what you said.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm Erica.
So police inventory checks isn't a thing. Alrighty then. Wouldn't those spike strips be tagged with LSPD or state trooper or whatever?
No, they're unmarked.
Oh.
It's a generic inventory item.
Yeah, that's where they should do inventory checks, like on their inventory, and see what they have and see what's missing. Because each department's issued a certain amount of supplies.
Negative.
No?
No, you can take as many as you want.
What the fuck?
Yeah, there's no way to track that stuff.
What the fuck?
We have Mr. Warden out here. Alrighty, go ahead and come on up. Take a seat in that, in this, right here.
Give him hell, Rick.
I'm Rick. We were literally just here for what, almost 10 minutes? Asking questions, talking, and nothing.
Tied his ponytail up at
We're
least.
moving up almost, like touch the flashlight, and then boom.
Yeah, he looks pretty.
Oh, now you're in.
He transported, Your Honor.
I gotta stand up, man. My legs fall asleep.
No, he transported.
Hey, thank you so much. The Lunar Spirit just came down. We really appreciate you not coming.
Deputy Cordell is the only officer we have.
That was really cool though. That actually was pretty good. I'm sorry if I offended anyone. I was totally kidding.
If you're okay with talking with us tonight, we'd love to hear your story. We'd love to respect you. Can you please touch that flashlight one more time before we head out? Does that mean you don't want to talk to us? You turn off the flashlight and we'll know that will go.
Man, wants to be friends with us?
I don't know what that means.
Oh my gosh.
Something's here, but I don't know if something wants to talk to us, and that's the scary part.
Yeah.
As we get higher and higher in this building, it gets more and more active. So what do you guys say? Go to the next floor?
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We appreciate it deeply. I'm starting to believe this might be a little bit real.
Yeah, what do you guys think?
Like, that was definitely crazy. Yeah, because they said it as soon as she said pretty please. But then the second time, the first time I was like, no shot. The second time was more like, okay, yeah, that's real.
We were just talking about this, and it's so interesting seeing the hot sisters go ghost hunting with us for the first time, because it kind of like made us reminisce on all the crazy experiences we've had ghost hunting over the years.
Alright, is
Back up.
everybody ready?
When are you working? It's been all day for me.
Those don't feel good.
I get it.
Alright, we are here in the matter of Rick Warden versus LSPD. Mr. Warden is represented by Cletus O'Neill. Is it right that I have Officer Ohio represented by Captain Pop Duck? Is that correct?
I think I'm gonna represent myself, Your Honor, but he's just gonna be here for
Morals. Got it. Okay, that sounds good. Mr. O'Neill, go ahead and leave opening statements.
Yes, ma'am. Well, good evening, Your Honor. This case is about responsibility, accountability, and the failure of proper procedure. My client, Mr. Warden, was in possession of approximately $60,000 in lawful currency prior to the traffic stop. Following the stop, law enforcement took control of his vehicle, conducted a search, and then impounded it. After that process, the money was gone. Before proceeding any further, the defense would like to note that despite filing a motion of discovery, law enforcement has failed to provide any reports, body cam footage, or evidence logs, or even impound records related to this incident. As a result, there is no official documentation explaining what was found, what was taken, or what happened to my client's property while it was in police custody. The defense will present evidence showing that my client did not, or did in fact, possess this money prior to the stop, and that once law enforcement assumed control of his vehicle, they assumed responsibility for everything inside of that vehicle. This case is not about speculation, Your Honor. It's about a failure to account for property under law enforcement control, compounded by complete lack of documentation. Thank you, Your Honor.
Officer Ohio, do you have an opening statement that you would like to present, sir?
no, ma'am. Evidence is there.
I actually don't have any evidence logs that were submitted by LSPD whatsoever.
In the emails, that's not the evidence that I needed.
You're talking about the Warden versus LEO stuff? I don't have anything in there from you. I have a statement from Cordell.
And you have the body cam evidence now?
It's not posted in...
It was posted right under the statement. The same day.
I will go back through and double check because
I can
I do
put a period.
Hey, he said he posted body cam footage.
This was a different ticket. That's why it was not placed in the correct because I have another officer on record in this matter by the name of Cordell. I did not know that Officer Ohio was even part of this until just now. So we're gonna take a short recess so that I can go ahead and view this. I'm also going to add Mr. O'Neill to this as well so that it can satisfy discovery. Because
Could you add me to it too, Urine, so I could get...
Yeah, I'll definitely go ahead and do that. Just because, like I said, I had no idea that Mr. Ohio was even part of this case. The ticket that was opened in this matter was for something completely different. It has nothing to do with this case at all.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it was his arraignment from the store robbery case with Mr. Lando Smith. The vehicle belonged to him.
But it was a completely separate ticket than what the lawsuit is for, and so I had no idea that these were even supposed to be part of the same thing. Because again, I have Cordell on record for this matter.
Mr.
Your Honor.
Ohio is
Sorry,
assuming
Your
that this is an arraignment. That's what he told me. He thought it was.
Well, Mr.
Isn't he supposed to be
Warden
representing
was
himself?
arraigned on other charges. He was arraigned on attempted murder of a peace officer, accessory to robbery, and possession of a firearm without a license. So that's different. Like, his criminal charges are different from the lawsuit that he's filing. He's filing a lawsuit because he has $60,000 missing from his vehicle. That's what this is about. This isn't about the arraignment.
I guess we're having a confusion. Sorry, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's pause. Let me take a quick look at these and see if these are even the same things, because I'm just gonna ask you, does anybody have any opposition to me asking Mr. Warden questions directly?
Objection, Your Honor.
What? Objection where?
No, you can't, Your Honor.
Okay.
They're not allowed to talk
Mr.
about
Warden, I'm not going to ask you any questions that are going to incriminate you. However, the incidents in which you were arraigned on those
wild, bro.
charges, is that the same incidents that we are here for tonight?
No, ma'am.
Or is that separate?
It's separate.
All right. I'm going to take a look at the timestamps. So, our Officer Ohio filed this arraignment on 4/13. And these were done back on 4/1, which does lead me to believe that these are separate. However, I do want to take a quick look. I just want to double check and make sure. Officer Ohio, I actually do not believe that this is your case.
No, yes, ma'am. I believe that they are separate, ma'am.
Yeah, I do too, but let me take
So
a quick
sorry
look.
for the
No,
misunderstanding.
don't be sorry.
that's-
Let me go ahead and take a quick look at this, just so that we can be safe.
He said, no. This.
I would hate to dismiss it and then it actually be part of it.
I'm confused.
I'm confused too.
Let me see. No, this is going to be a separate matter.
Yeah.
So, Officer Ohio, you are dismissed, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, we are going to go ahead and continue with this case. So, even though I know I do not have a law enforcement officer here who can take part of this, I do have a little bit of an issue. Where did that go? Papa, you are dismissed as well at this time.
All right. Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir. Mr. O'Neill,
Yes, ma'am.
there are so many people involved in this, potentially. However, the problem is that somebody thinks LSPD looked in the vehicle, and another person says that it was the sheriff's office. I don't even know where Cordell is employed or who that is.
Your Honor, if you look at exhibits A, B, C, and D through the clips, it is the same officer from the
That helps me. We're gonna have to deflect this to a judicial review for a number of reasons. Number one, I have no law enforcement agency here in this matter.
Automatic win. Yeah, but
Cordell did
whose
not
problem
show.
is that?
I also don't know what agency he's currently
Hell, I'm gonna get
Your Honor, if it benefits my client, may I ask for Mr. Papaduck on the stand just for some couple questions from general policy procedures?
Not if LSPD is not the one who is responsible for this. You can't, because departments have different.
Oh, sir.
Hell no.
What about the bailiff, Your Honor?
What are we waiting on?
You're right.
Just wait it out. Just wait it out, yeah.
So, here's what we're gonna do. Let me take a quick look at this, because I do believe Mr. Cordell was part of the conversation. We were scheduling all of this, and he was responding just fine until it came time to schedule. So, unfortunately, I have no way to tell who exactly took that money, because there were too many hands in that vehicle. Since Mr. Cordell failed to show the court today, we're going to award the complainants $30,000 in this matter for a couple of reasons.
Don't take that shit. Don't take that
the biggest
shit.
one being that opposition failed to show up. However, had he shown up, I don't know that you would have gotten anything because I can't prove that Cordell or the sheriff's office is the one who took that money. And neither can you.
If I were you, I would low-key ask for a recess until all of your evidence is there.
Yeah, don't take that fucking shitty ass office. Bullshit. Yeah, she lost her fucking mind.
It was literally, she said the same thing with both cases that involved LSPD.
Man, you already know that shit. It's talking about 30,000, man. Tell him to meet you at 500,000. Hey, stop that shit, bro. Stop that shit and tell them 500,000 or I'm gonna stop.
I'm gonna object. Watch. I'm just kidding, I can't.
Your Honor, if it also helps, Officer Cordell also impounded the vehicle as well.
And that's why that's why I need to go back through all of the evidence because LSPD entered the vehicle, a sheriff's deputy entered the vehicle, but the only officer I have on record.
I object. I object.
and
1
he
second.
failed to show up. But I also can't prove that either one of those officers took any money.
Hey, I object. May I say something?
I don't know. Who are you?
I'm here on behalf of the party.
Yeah, but
Say
who
something.
are
I know
you?
you probably can't hear me back there.
You can step forward and
Speak
use
into the
the
microphone.
microphone at the podium, but who are you?
Lando Smith.
Okay, Mr. Smith.
How's it going?
How are you?
So, I'm good. I just wanted to put something on the record.
Any objection to that, Mr. O'Neill?
No, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Smith.
I'm just here to see what's going on, you know what I mean? In the fact of the cops stealing money, I guess you can't see who did that, but very blatantly they did not show up. You know, and that's a very big issue. And then we said,
Are you friends with Mr. Warden? Are you friends with Mr. Are you friends with the complainant? Do you know him? Were you on scene during any part of this interaction?
No, I just wanted to give a
Okay,
statement.
then no, you can't just give a public statement just for funsies.
Well, I mean, I just wanted to say
You're not a
30,000
witness in
settlement
this
is
case.
absolutely insane for a cop stealing when I've had stuff stolen out
I
of my
guess
car
it's
as
a
well.
good thing nobody asked you for your opinion because you're not part of this case. You weren't a witness in this matter, and you're not even on the docket, sir. Mr. Warden, again, there's a very good chance this case could have been dismissed entirely simply for the fact that there is no proof that the sheriff's office is the agency who took that money from you. You know, you had interactions with them. Same thing for LSPD. I know that there were interactions with them, but again, we can't pinpoint who possibly took that money.
I guarantee if it was a girl that's money would have
There's
gotten
a
taken, they would know
possibility it
exactly
would
who it
have
was and
been
they'd
thrown
be
out.
getting $1 million.
Then the people that entered the vehicle should be held responsible for the stolen property.
From the other side,
I couldn't listen
will
anymore.
at least
I left.
order that half of that money be paid back to you.
Half?
It's just a matter of me determining, do I make one department pay for all of it, or do I split it between the two departments and make everybody somewhat liable for that?
You pay them
Your Honor.
They're losing their fucking mind.
Can I respectfully ask for a continuance so we can subpoena the sheriff's department as well as LSPD as well? This could be a countersuit between both departments. If that's the case, there's two different departments in control of the property. If there's two different departments, they are sole purposes to. They have responsibility. They took it into their custody.
Mr. Warden, do you still have your clips playable, sir?
I will have to go back and find them. For some reason, it wipes away
Yeah, because I'm not able to play them either, and if we're gonna go through with the continuance to subpoena high command of both of these departments, I do want them to be able to take a look at any evidence that's presented. That's only fair. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to leave this up to Mr. Warden. Sir, you can either go ahead and take the continuance, you can go back and see if you still have these clips available, and if so, we can subpoena those individuals. Or you can go ahead and accept the $30,000 to be paid by one or both departments for a total of $30,000 after I decide and I go back and look at this a little bit further to decide which department is liable. If not,
and they be taking
I'll
like
leave that completely
60,000.
up to you. If you would like to speak with your lawyer for a second, you're more
Take
than
a seat,
welcome to
quit
do
talking.
so. But at this time,
So take
I'll
a
give
seat
you a
and quit
couple minutes
talking
to
or
make
you'll
that
be removed
decision
from the
if you need
courtroom.
to.
Okay,
I
I'm
just
just
want
saying,
to let you
fair.
know
30,000
that if
PD
you
always
ask
gets
for
away
a
with it.
continuance,
30,000,
you
like,
go
are you
back and
serious?
find that you don't have
Sit
those
down
clips
and
anymore,
quit
you can't
talking.
turn around and
You're
say that you'd rather
interrupting.
have the 30,000.
Go sit down.
It's one or the other.
Go sit
You
down.
want to speak real quick, Mr. Warden?
Oh yeah. Well, being just in case I can't, I would like you said.
I need you to
have
take a
them
seat.
both pay the
I'm not
$30,000.
disrupting nobody. I'm listening.
Just
even
so that we're everybody's on the same page. It'll be a total of 30,000. So if it
Right,
is both
yes.
departments, it's 15 from each for a total of 30.
Right. Yeah.
Come again.
If I can identify the officer who didn't he search your vehicle, LSPD? Didn't they search it?
If it helps you, the officer that drives, as in one thing I showed you.
Yeah.
The officer that drives the blue Charger is the one that searched my vehicle and also booked me
That's
and stuff
That
like
would
that.
be Sheriff Cordell, Your Honor.
And nobody else has searched my vehicle as far as I know besides him, and he's the one that took me off and sent me to jail. And after that, in the beginning, I asked for my money because I needed it, and the officer specifically told me there was no money in there. And I get back in my truck and the money's gone. I knew, and so yeah. So the officer that drove the blue Charger is the one that searched my vehicle and took me off.
Okay. I do want an opportunity to speak with Cordell in this matter. However, the settlement has already been determined. He will be receiving $30,000 for that. I do want the opportunity to speak with him. So give me a day or two to be able to do that, so I can get his side of it as well before I make the decision on who's going to be responsible for that payment.
30,000 isn't enough.
And then, Mr. O'Neill,
No.
what were your attorney fees, sir?
Your Honor, no fee.
Okay. Does anybody have any questions?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, give me a day or two to take a look at this and be able to talk with Cordell in this matter, and then I will issue something in the ticket for both of you guys to review.
Understood, Your Honor. So the continuance is dismissed, correct?
The continuance is dismissed. We are going to close this case out with that $30,000 settlement. Now it's just a matter of
Did you guys agree on that?
him
Yeah,
to
like
determine
30,000 is
who
ridiculous.
is going to be responsible for that payment.
Understood, Your Honor.
What is 30K?
Okay. Any other questions, you guys?
No, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so
You
much.
guys are both going to be asked to leave the courtroom.
I haven't done shit.
No. Leave the courtroom or you'll be
Alright, I'll catch you. I'll catch your ass. Don't worry about you. Let me. Then tell this big ass cop to fucking let me out. Move your dumb asses. Fucking crooked ass cops stealing money. Stupid fucking pussies. I'll catch you out there.
Hey, bro, fuck that shit, bro. We're killing PD, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get ammo right now.
Yeah, let's go. We're killing PD. They got shit fucked up. I don't know what they just tried the fuck out of you, Rick, with $30,000, bro. They got my dog fucked up.
Y'all calming down. Hang on, fellas.
You didn't hear the explosion? I just blew up 2 heat units.
I heard that.
That's funny as fuck.
Yo, daddy's gonna need to protect your ass. Cop might be coming out to arrest me.
Come on, come on, come on.
I ran in there and I told that bitch, I was like, yo, daddy's gonna need to protect you. I told that bitch, I was like, yo, daddy's gonna need to protect your ass.
Yeah, like what the fuck is
She's
dope?
mine.
30,000?
She's mine.
Alright, bet. So do we need to go get ammo and shit?
Yeah, I need pistol for the gun I got. I mean pistol ammo.
Judge can come out to a nice fucked up lawn.
I just blew up 2 heat units. Y'all didn't hear that?
Oh yeah, we heard that.
Hey, Alan.
Oh shit.
Who the fuck's that? Who's that?
We got a cop car right here. Let's do it.
That's Billy's wife.
Is Alan around?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
You want to show me how to do one of those banks now?
You can't hotwire police cars.
Or you want to try and do a bank again?
Why?
I think I have everything for it.
Should we shoot it?
Nah. Let's just go get ammo and then get up on a rooftop somewhere nearby and
I'm
fucking.
flattening all the tires on that bitch, bro. Let's go.
After we deal with these crooked cops, yes.
Yeah, we're getting rid of this fucking cops.
Hey, we take their PD. We take their PD shit. Their PD guns. I want them.
We're in the middle. Bro, we cannot take their shit.
Yeah, the fuck we can.
Yeah, I'm down. Really?
I'm 95% sure that we're allowed to rob cops.
No, you can't. You can't take any of their armory stuff.
That is bullshit, but this is exactly why Blake was up in this bitch.
But
Exactly, bro. Straight
what did you say, Alan?
Yeah, we're trying to free Ricky right now. Let's just say redemption.
Go turn ammunition, you. I need bullets.
Anybody got any dirty money on them? I gotta get some more sticky bombs.
I gotta go. Yeah, I got some money on me.
I got some too. I just gotta go to a garage. I got plenty of bullets.
Dude, we could bomb. We could set up that whole area.
We definitely could. But I don't know how much dirty money I got though.
Are you nice people?
Stroll out, boys. We got business to take care of.
Did you not wear your seatbelt again, bro?
No, it's not that. I was already stressed from before. I was just sitting down the whole time. This one's closed, yo. We gotta find a different one.
Where y'all at? We got some business to take care of.
I didn't mean to get up.
Okay, Vinewood's open.
Yeah, give us a few. We gotta handle some LAPD real quick or whatever.
Oh, I got you.
What kind of bullets
Where
do
y'all
you
at?
need?
I don't know what kind this gun takes.
Alan, where the hell you
Look
at, man?
over it. Look at who needs bullets.
45
I have
ACP.
bullets.
I need 45 ACP.
Here, I'll put it in the gold box.
And I got 100.
What store y'all at?
I got 107 6x2. We're down.
Yo,
the
there's
road.
100 and something in there.
Yeah, I got it. Let's go hit this shit. Go back.
We got the ammo. Go back.
Me, I'm headed that way. I need ammo too.
What ammo?
Of course, I can't perform this
Alright,
action.
let's go.
I need you to pull over. I need you to pull over right quick.
Vinewood is the only one open.
Where'd Ronnie go?
It's in the top of the map.
Ronnie's still at the courthouse.
Okay. You're okay.
I can't smoke. I can't eat gummies. Nothing. I don't fucking know.
Take a round trip and get Might take
I got a J to work. Can I smoke in the car?
Yeah. Anybody got food on them? If not, I can go get it. Yeah, I've got a fuck ton in my car.
I gave all my shit to Ricky. You're in a pit.
Alright, I'm headed there now.
They were probably pissed. I blew up 2 of the heat units, bro. The 2 heat
Yeah,
units that
yeah.
were sitting out front. I sticky them bitches.
What? Oh, you're hollering for Freya.
Did you really? That's crazy.
What do you think I said? What do you think I said?
I don't know. I thought you were snapping at me.
We're gonna try and see if we can get them out of their own way so they can experience the paranormal at the highest level it's ever been done. It's never been done before. In hypnosis, you can get people to go past slides, you can do a lot of really crazy stuff, and we're gonna see what the limits are of the actual paranormal today.
I gotta eat some on that
That way we
protein
can
as well.
film this, and then Colby and I are gonna swap.
Everybody's here, man. What the hell?
Skeptical. I was definitely skeptical at the time I did it a long time ago. And it's not like at that point, I could force myself to do something else. It's not like I'm allowing.
Yo, Lando.
Oh, we're coming. We're coming.
Alright, sounds good. I'm at 81.
We're on our way there.
Come on, baby.
Where are we going there? I thought we were going to the courthouse.
Hey.
Well, for one, I need ammo.
We're meeting you at Vinewood right now.
What postal is that?
Vinewood Gun Store.
Which one though?
Vinewood, yo. At the Vinewood Plaza? What the fuck is going on here, bruh?
Oh, yeah.
These look like stash cars.
Alright, meet us at Vinewood, bro. We're in here waiting on you.
Staying out here with the car.
Hey, where'd Ronnie go?
I have no clue.
Dead pop?
Must have. All the tension in your body and your mind moving into this arm now, and 5, you find it just locking. The harder you try to bend this arm, the harder it becomes. It is now stuck. All the tension moves into this arm, and you just sleep. What's that? Oh. Take a deep breath. Eyes open.
You guys get bullets?
No, it's fucking Rick who needs bullets. I got bullets.
What bullets do you need?
762 by 39. Rick, then come get it. Meet us at Vinewood, bro.
Yeah, I got 100 rounds on it. He's not gonna need more than that. I only travel with 150 because every time I go to jail, they take my shit.
Rick, meet us at Vinewood. There he is.
So, did she make that decision for you? Is that what I heard?
Well, here's the thing, fellas. I told her I'd take it, but the reason I told her that because I got plans up my sleeve. I figured, being I only got 30,000, I figured, maybe probably another $400,000 off of them.
Rick, come pick that up.
If not, maybe another 40,000.
Rick, come pick that up.
For wasting my fucking time.
Go pick that bag up, yo.
Alright, well,
I knew it was
PD's
going
out
south.
today. I might need some more ammo, so I gotta grab some. But yeah, how many people got with us? Yeah, well, we need somebody else also.
Right.
So yeah, she made technically she made a decision. I just agree with it because I'm sitting here thinking about $30,000 for that 600,000. Yeah, that shit's not even worth it. But and honestly,
Alrighty, guys, this is gonna be the end of the court stream.
there's no evidence on my end really, but
Who just touched me?
Alright, fuck that, man. Let's go.
I was like, what the fuck?